Are your sales declining? Why? Is it because customers wait too long at your checkout? They can't get help when they need it. Are your customers not assisted by your employees? Your products aren't getting the attention they deserve? Or fewer people are walking through your door? This is where Ariadne comes in. With Ariadne, you can install a single sensor that will count your visitors and passersby. Introduce a controller to use as a channel to onboard your loyal customers and communicate with them while passing by. Add a beacon and see how long employees spend at the store and forget punch cards. Add multiple devices and get heat maps. Monitor your assist rates, product-level conversion rates. Get suggestions on how to place your products to boost your sales. Start now in 3 simple steps. Create an account at app.ariadne.inc and purchase your device. Install your device above the entrance of your store and plug it on electricity. Onboard your device at your dashboard. Start your journey with Ariadne today. Understand every visit. Respect every visitor.